Today we are starting with chapter 3 of geography, that is water resources. So let's start with topic 1, that is water scarcity and the need for water conservation and management. Water is a renewable resource, but still there is scarcity of water in many parts of India. There are certain regions in India where ample water resources are available and still the region faces acute water shortage. Three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but fresh water accounts for a small proportion. Fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater, which is continually renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle. Water scarcity means shortage of water. Due to variations in seasonal and annual precipitation, the availability of water varies over place and time. Water scarcity is mainly caused due to the excessive use and unequal access to water for different social groups. An area having ample water resources can have to face water scarcity due to the reasons that I will be discussing now. Number 1 is greater demand for water by large and growing population and unequal access to it. Water resources are being overexploited to expand agriculture and consequently groundwater levels are falling. Number 3, post-independent India has witnessed intense industrialization and urbanization, exerting increasing pressure on fresh water resources. Number 4, multiplying urban centers with large and dense populations have further aggravated the problem of water scarcity. In housing societies or colonies, most of the houses have their own groundwater pumping devices to meet the water needs. Thus, water resources are being overexploited. Thus, it is very important to conserve water resources. In order to safeguard ourselves from health hazards, to ensure food scarcity, and to protect the natural ecosystem. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.